Today we're going to be making some quick, easy, but oh so delicious chocolate chip cookies. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Third cup coconut oil, lightly melted in the microwave for 15 seconds. You don't want it to be warm, you just want it to just start melting. Third cup brown sugar, third cup white sugar, stick blended. If you want your own stick blender, I'll give you a link in the description. Now you want to go in with your milk of choice. I'm going in with hemp milk because it's quick and nutritious. I actually made a video on hemp milk that I'll leave in the description so you can check it out. It only takes minutes. Once that's combined, add in 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon of salt. Stick blend until it looks like this. And once it does, you're ready to fold in your 4 ounces of chocolate. Stir those in well, then you're going to want to scoop them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Tap all of them down with your fingies like you see me doing, and into a 350-degree oven they go for 10 minutes until these beautiful cookies emerge. Sub for more content, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.